This is EDRS Quick Reference Sheet 2031-MC, Restoring a Terminated User Account, No Current Facility or Campus Associations. To get started, click the User Fast link from the home screen. Enter the username and or last name, then click the Search All button. Click the username link in the username field of the search results to display the user summary. Click the Reactivate User link on the user summary. To set up a temporary password, you will need to do the following. Enter a generic password in the password field. Enter the same password in the Confirm Password field. Select the temporary password checkbox and then click the Next button. Revisions to the name and address can only be made after the account has been reactivated. If you did make revisions, click the Next button once complete. If necessary, make revisions to the contact information. Click the Next button. Revisions to licenses could only be made after the account has been reactivated. Click the Next button once any necessary revisions have been made. The Update User screen displays. Select your facility or campus name from the available office affiliations field and click the Add Arrow or Greater Than Sign button to add your facility or campus to the office affiliations assigned to the user field. Your facility or campus has now been added to the office affiliations assigned to the user field. Click the Next button. Select the appropriate user type from the drop-down menu. Choose either Medical Certifier for MD, DO, CRNP, or PA-C, or Medical Facility User for RN or Other. Once completed, click the Add button. The user type and office affiliation will then display. If the user type is Medical Certifier, make sure to confirm that the Death box is selected. Click the Next button. Confirm or select the appropriate role for the user from the Available Roles field. For user type of Medical Certifier, select the available role of Default Death Medical Certifier. For user type of Medical Facility User, select the user role of Default Death Facility User Active. Once you click the Add Arrow or Greater Than Sign button, the role will be assigned to the user. Click the Next button. The Business Function screen displays. Do not make any changes. Click the Finish button. The user summary displays with the user type, office, and role field populated. Click the Return button. The restored user now displays as an active user. Please note, these steps will only allow you to restore user or accounts to the one facility or campus selected at login. If the user is to be restored for multiple facilities or campuses, you will need to log out after completing the steps shown in the QRS video before moving on to the next facility or campus. You must then log back in. Select the office link for the next facility or campus for which user access is to be restored, and once again complete the steps of the QRS video. This will need to be completed for each facility or campus.